Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your app data folder on your Windows 11 PC. And this also works for Windows 10 or Windows 7. Doesn't matter which Windows you're currently using, it works for all. The most important thing is that you open up your File Explorer. And once you open up File Explorer, let me move this over so that you can see it. Just go ahead and click where it says home at the top, depending on whichever, let's say, location is set to your home directory. For example, it is my File Explorer is set to open on home by default. And I can also change that if I ever want to. I'll show you in a different tutorial how to do that. And so if I would like to access my app directory, I just need to click here at the top, right? And to do this, you want to type in percentage app data percentage, right? You can go ahead and you can click enter now and it's going to open for you. I'm going to press Ctrl A and press Ctrl C because I'm going to show you another way where you can open this. But once you type this in File Explorer, you can go ahead and hit enter and it's going to open up your app data. By default, it's going to open up the roaming folder. And so if you go one step back by just clicking on the word app data, you will see that it takes you over to the main app data folder. You can also access the local low and you can also access the roam in folder, and this is where you can access these files. And so that's how you can easily access app data folder. Now another way to do that is to use run. You can easily click the Windows key on your keyboard and just simply type in run, and you can open run from there, or just right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and just click and run. This is going to open up the run for you, and you can see right here that I have app data right there, and I can just simply type app data, hit enter, and it's going to open up the folder again. The good thing about using the run option is that it opens directly the app data folder, not in roaming or wherever. Just open app data, so you can easily open app data folder using any one of these techniques. I really hope you found this useful, guys, and if you do, really appreciate if you give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful, and if you're new to the channel, I'm Andrew, and I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to become part of this growing community. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.